So another mistake you guys need to avoid when you're cutting your own hair is pressing the clippers really hard up against your skin for whatever reason while you're cutting your own hair. All right? I don't know if it's because we have like trauma from, let's say we're body grooming ourselves, or we're removing hair off our chest or our stomach, right? And we always get the urge to just really push for some reason really hard up against our skin, thinking that it's going to remove more hair or that we're actually helping the cutting process. Maybe that's true for body grooming. Maybe you don't have the tools to get it down as close to skin as possible. But when it comes to self haircuts, you guys need to let the clipper and whatever guard you have on the clipper do the work, all right? Let the clipper and the guard do all the work. These things are made and designed and cut at a specific length for a reason, all right? If you want to cut more hair, just change off the guard, right? Put on a smaller guard and adjust to the lever open position. You don't need to go in with the clipper and the guard and really push and dig and just get all crazy with the clipper in your hand because you want to cut all the hair. Don't do that. Instead, what you're going to do is let the clipper do all the work, okay? You're just going to go in and go through the guideline, go through the hard line, go through it multiple times, all right? You'll hear me say this so often throughout the self-haircut tutorials in the program, all right? Go through the guideline, go through the hard line multiple times, all right? If it takes you 30 seconds just to do one small zone right here, and then another 30 seconds to do this zone, and then another 30 seconds to do this zone. If that's what you need to do to make sure that you're removing all of the hair for each guideline or removing the hard line, then that's what you have to do. Just make sure you're relaxed, right? The clippers are relaxed in your hand and you're just gently leaning up the guard or the back of the clipper against your skin, and you're just going up super lightly, all right? You're just going up super lightly. And you're just going through it multiple times, moving it around a little bit, all right? Just like that. You're not digging into the scalp and really trying to remove all your skin, all right? You're not trying to do anything crazy here. It's just very lightly, very relaxed. Run the clippers through the guideline that you're cutting and just do that all the way around your head and make sure everything is even. Instead of pressing really hard against your skin with the clippers, just go over the guideline multiple times. Take an extra few seconds to run the clippers through a few more times and you'll get rid of all the hair. Don't stress yourself out. Don't squeeze the clippers. Don't put any extra energy into things that aren't actually bringing you closer to the goal. Don't waste more energy than you need to. So just be relaxed, be calm, and just let the clipper do all of the work.